Can a hair transplant change your life? Let's dive into the amazing possibilities after a hair transplant. आज की जो पर्सन हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, he had receding hairline, दोनों कॉर्नर्स खाली थे उनके और बीच के एरिया में इतनी थिनिंग थी that front mid scalp यानी top of head up to the crown he had thinning of hair with baldness on the corners of hair. He just wanted to have head full of hair so that nobody would be able to call him bald, and he achieved this in just 5 months. हम ऐसा बोलते हैं, बुक्स में भी लिखा है that hair transplant results usually are best seen in 12 months. But in 5 months, if you're able to comb your hairs and the word baldness is gone from your looks, it's amazing. चलिए देखते हैं how he could achieve this. Also, in this video only, I will guide you to one of the wonderful features of Saraswat Hospital app, जिसमें आप अपने फोटोज अगर डालो तो you'll be able to see how you would look after your hair transplant. ये आपको उस फीचर से पता चलेगा. He had history of baldness from 6 to 7 years. Brother and father also have baldness. He took no medication, none whatsoever, and today he has come for consultation. At the time of consultation, we did trichoscopy first. Computerized assessment है hair and scalp का. उससे पता चला at the back donor area, safe donor area, the density was 80 grafts per centimeter square. The area was 135 centimeter square. So we could extract more than 4,500 grafts easily अगर जरूरत पड़े तो. The diameter of individual hair follicles was good. It was 0.078 millimeters, जो कि terminal hair है, मोटा thick hair है. Coverage value 13.10 थी, which is very good for a person who has such extensive bald area. पीछे इतने अच्छे बाल होना is a very fortunate thing. Please hit the like button so that we know कि आपको ऐसे videos पसंद है, and then we can make more of it. When we came to the recipient area, we could see that the area जहाँ हमको जरूरत है, it was around 145 centimeter square. If we gave a density of 35 grafts per centimeter square, we were in need of around 4,400 grafts. Since 2.1 hairs were there in one graft, more than 9,000 hairs were to be put on this person. So more than 9,300 hairs were to be put. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कि आपका हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में कैसा कंसल्टेशन होगा, किस तरीके से रिसिपिएंट एरिया के कैलकुलेशंस होंगे, यू कैन ऑलवेज आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो और यू कैन व्हाट्सएप अस, या फिर आप नीचे दिए गए फोन नंबर्स पे कॉल कर सकते हैं जिससे हम कंसल्टेशन कर पाए. ऑन द डे ऑफ प्रोसीजर, आफ्टर डूइंग सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ वेरियस मेडिसिन्स वी वर टू यूज ड्यूरिंग द डे, वी मेड अ हेयर लाइन टू विच वी बोथ अग्रीड एक्सट्रीमली बॉल्ड एरिया वर द फ्रंट वंस. तो वहां पर वी गेव हिम अ नेचुरल hairline which was irregular. After making the hairline, we gave him local anesthesia in a ring block. Then we made slits by sapphire blades. Saraswat Hospital में we always use best quality tools and equipments. From the back, we now harvested by FUE method. Graft harvesting के बाद grafts were segregated into 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair. After segregation, they were now put back into the pre-made slits. After the completion of the procedure, bandage was done at the back and the patient was told all the post-op instructions. He was given a bag of medicines. हमारी post-op team के phone numbers भी दिए थे जिससे उनको कोई problem हो तो वो हमेशा call कर पाए, अपने आप को अकेला महसूस ना करें. Coming to the Peak AI app, आइए अब जानते हैं सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल के Peak AI फीचर के बारे में, जिसमें आप 3 easy steps में ये जान पाएंगे कि हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के बाद आपका लुक कैसा रहेगा. What you have to do? Download the app, take the quiz, upload your photos. In 24 to 48 hours, आपको photos मिल जाएंगी कि आप कैसे दिखोगे. These pictures would be recommended by American Board Certified Hair Transplant Surgeons. Also, आपको ये पता चलेगा कि आपको approximately कितने grafts की requirement है आपके केस में. And also, जब आप अपने hair transplant डॉक्टर से बात करने जाएं, वो कौन से ऐसे बहुत important questions हैं जो आपको उनसे पूछने चाहिए. If you're planning a hair transplant surgery, please see that your doctor has good credentials, then the team is experienced, then latest tools and equipments may be used. उनके बारे में भी आप बात करें. And last but not the least, after post surgery, good hand holding should be there. So we are there 24/7 after your surgery to help you out. Please share this video with your family and friends who are contemplating a hair transplant procedure for a good change in their bald look. If you want to know cost of hair transplant, please click the video on the left, and to see our latest hair transplant video, please click the video on the right.